to okay, so today we start the new lectures. Actually, the new chapter that name is the network layer. Okay, so all of you know about the network layer, where they start in OSI reference model. Okay, from the top application layer, presentation layer, session layer, then your transport layer, and then next is what your a network layer. Already we know that. Already we discuss in 3 lectures. So today we discuss about the network layers in detail. Actually, the first we have to start, or what are the responsibility of the network layer we have to discuss. Okay, so all of you that network layer, uh, in network layer actually the which devices they are run. Okay, so router basically we are run on the network layer, but before that we discuss about the what are the responsibilities are there. So the the network layer. Okay, so in network layer, first of all, suppose we have the network. Okay, first network, and then the second network, and then the third network, which is on one network, and same. Okay, the right now the another network we have, again that network, the number of networks are there. So basically what are the responsibility of the inside the networks. Okay, so that structures what are the area we draw here, that we call as a autonomous system. Okay, so that is what your autonomous system. So in that autonomous system, the network inside, the many networks inside, or we can also call as a divided the small networks in the autonomous systems. So first responsibility of the in your network, that is nothing as your uh, host to host. Okay, this is the first responsibility. You know about the host to host, then process to process, application to apply, or we call it application to applications, then part to part. Okay, already we discussed in the before what are the chapters. Okay, but in that network layer, we call as a host to host is nothing as what the from network. So already we draw the early diagram. Okay, this is the network. Inside the network, one is host. Okay, and this is what nothing as the autonomous system. Okay, so suppose in that autonomous system the one network host is there, and we have again the another network, that is again the host is there. Okay, so I want to transfer the data from host 1 to host 2. Okay, so that time the which path we have to require. Suppose that network to that network we connected, that is one router here. Okay, so through that router we can pass the data. Okay, so that is we call as the router 1. The router 1 is nothing as what in between the host 1 to host 2, and through that we can send the data. Okay, so this is what the we call as a host to host connections. We can send the data. Okay, only host 1 to host 2. The second responsibility is that nothing as what your logical address. Which one? Your logical address is nothing as what your IP address. So all of you know about that. Logical address is what and physical address is what. Already we discussed that point in OSI reference model. Through that logical address, actually we identify the which host which is to be connected on your network. Okay, so through that IP addresses we can connect the number of terminals. Okay, number of hosts, and that through that logical address we can send the data a particular or relatively the particular host we send the data. Okay, then the third responsibility is that is nothing as your routing. Which one? Your routing. So the routing is nothing as what we have to set the path from host to host, or we can also call as a source to destination or destination to source. Okay, so actually which path you have to decide, or which route you have to decide, in the third responsibility in network layer. So actually the many paths are there or many routes are there. In between that, whichever is the shortest path or whichever is the best path in between them, so through that the path we can send the data from host to another host. Okay, this is the third responsibility of routing. And then the fourth is nothing as your uh, fragmentation. Which one? Your fragmentation. You know the fragmentations, already we discussed that point. Same thing, your segmentations. The large data we have to divide into the small bits, and that we call as the that area segments. So same thing here in network layer, which is the data come from the transport layer to network layer. The data which is to be come on the network layer queue, that the queue, suppose the size is suppose of 4 KB, and you have to come the data from transport layer the 6 KB. So that time what your queue which is not the handle all the 6 KB data. Okay, so that's why the data, that's fragmentation data, or that, sorry, not the fragmentation, actually the we call it the segmentation data, which is to be divided into the small parts. Okay, that part which is to be handle your queue in network layer. So whenever we divide into that part, that is nothing as your fragmentation, dividation of the segment, that nothing as your fragmentation, which is to be handle your network layer queue. Okay, so this is the responsibility of your network layer. Okay, you got all of you. Okay, that the next part which is to be nothing as what routing protocols. So what about the routing protocols we discuss in the next video lecture. Okay, thank you.